Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu's in the kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of how to make an Junnu, and it's another name milk pudding. You can call as a milk pudding or otherwise Junnu. Junnu without making a Junnu milk or any fatty milk, without any chemicals. I'm making the Junnu or milk pudding. Let's check the recipe how I am making. 3 eggs, 250 ml milk, jaggery 200 grams, pepper powder, make it crust texture, don't make fine powder, 2 cardamom pods, crush it. This is the recipe for Junnu and milk pudding. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the bowl and whisk. Take the eggs and add into the mixing bowl. Whisk it nicely and make very fluffy. Next add jaggery. I grated and adding into this. And whisk it jaggery with egg. Next add the milk and whisk milk also. Next add the pepper powder, whisk it, next add the cardamom powder. It's for the flavor essence. Make like this with the eggs, jaggery and milk. Add the all ingredients. Then make a double boiling method. Making Junnu milk pudding, anything, you can make it in a double boiling method. Let's check the double boiling method how I am making. Take the vessel. Let's see properly without skipping the video. Add water. How much required? I am adding 750 ml of water. You can see. Half inch is enough water level. Next place the deccan and keep for double boiling. Switch on the stove. So once check the method, this is called a double boiling method. Okay, and a little bit is there, you can see, and keep it for one more 10 minutes. Finally the Junnu is ready. and switch on the flame. Then set it like this only for 10 minutes. Then remove and keep it in a fridge. You can see the on upper side pepper powder and cardamom powder. Finally, the Junnu is over. Wow, you can see it's a natural recipe without any chemicals, and Junnu milk also. The Junnu is ready, and you can chill it for half an hour minimum. Let's taste the recipe. You can see the piece. Junnu. Perfect Junnu. Wow, you can see without any milk or any fatty acid. It's amazing. And ilachi powder, and I'm getting in pepper powder too. Let's nice recipe, and follow this recipe. It's an exact recipe. Thanks for watching.